Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Attica, local and long-distance movers near me. A move that exceeds 50 miles is a long-distance move, and it's not easy to organize and accomplish. You can trust that we will handle your move without any problems. Our movers ensure that your belongings are safe, and our trucks are also transporting and protecting them with ease. We also have professional working relationships with the relocation authorities. Local moves are not as complex as long-distance relocations, but they can be tricky. You should hire local expert movers to help you plan your move and execute it seamlessly. 3 Movers is well suited and equipped to handle local moves. Our services are also affordable. We charge about $30 to $40 every hour, which is the cheapest you can find anywhere. We can also handle your move, and you can focus on other things and settle into your new place with ease. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Attica moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.